Hello everyone, this is Surekha Shinde from Marathwada Mitra Mandal College of Pharmacy, Pune. Today I am going to discuss effect of pesticides on environment. This video is a part of International FDP on environment and sustainability. These are the week 1 YouTube video details. In that video, I have discussed how the excessive use of pesticides affect the environment, how it causes air, soil and water pollution, and how it affects human body. What is basically a pest? Pest is any animal, plant or microorganism that causes trouble, injuries or destruction. All of we are very much aware about the animal pest. Along with animal pest, plant pests are there. Animal pest includes rodents, insects. Their mechanism is either biting or sucking, while the plant pest includes weeds, fungi and microbes. What are pesticides? Pesticides are used to control or eliminate the pest. Their main application is protection of the plants. Classification of pesticides. According to the types of pest they kill, these include 4 different classes: insecticides, which are used to kill insects; herbicides, to kill weeds; fungicides, to control fungi, mold and mildew; and rodenticides, which are used to kill rodents. Second type of classification, chemically related pesticides. These includes organophosphate, carbamate, organochlorine insecticides, pyrethroid and sulfonylurea herbicides. Organophosphates and carbamates, these two are the types of insecticides. They affect the nervous system of the pest by disrupting the enzyme that regulates a neurotransmitter. The neurotransmitter involved is acetylcholine. So, organophosphates and carbamates affect the cholinergic nervous system of the pest. The basic difference between organophosphate and carbamate is organophosphates are irreversible types of insecticides and carbamates are reversible types of insecticides. Organochlorine insecticides, their use is limited and in many countries they have been removed from market due to their health and environmental effects. Next class is pyrethroids. These are a synthetic version of pyrethrin. Pyrethrin, which is a naturally occurring pesticide found in pyrethrum flowers. And sulfonylurea herbicides. These are used to control weeds. Examples of specific synthetic chemical pesticides are glyphosate, acephate, DEET, propoxur, metaldehyde, diazinon, dursban, DDT and malathion, etc. And effects of pesticides. The main application of pesticide is to kill certain pests, but a very large percentage of these pesticides reach a destination other than their targets. Instead, they enter the air, water, sediments and even end up in our food. Their entry into the water and air causes water and air pollution respectively. Pesticides have been linked with human health hazards, from short-term impacts such as headaches and nausea to chronic impacts like cancer and may cause reproductive harm. The use of these also decreases the general biodiversity in the soil. The next part is pesticides regulation in India. The pesticides regulations in India are governed by two different bodies, the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee, that is CIBRC, and the second, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. The first one, the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee, was established in 1968 under the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation of Ministry of Agriculture. It is responsible for advising central and state governments on technical issues related to manufacture, use, and safety issues related to pesticides. Its responsibilities also include recommending uses of various types of pesticides depending on their toxicity and suitability, determining the shelf life of pesticides, and recommending a minimum gap between the pesticide applications and harvesting of the crops. The other part of the registration committee is responsible for registering pesticides after verifying the claims of manufacturer or importer related to the efficacy and safety of pesticides. The second, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, was established under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. This is all about the regulations involved in India. In the United States, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, is responsible for regulating pesticides under the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide and Rodenticide Act and the Food Quality Protection Act. Now coming to the conclusion part. Although the use of pesticide is unavoidable, but we should try to minimize the uses of pesticides due to their harmful effects. Vegetables, fruits should be thoroughly washed before use. And last one, the person or worker who is going to apply or spray these pesticides on plants, they should wear protective clothing to minimize the direct contact with pesticides. Because if direct contact of the pesticides occurs with the human body, and if it reaches the systemic circulation of the human body, it may leads to death of the human by acting on the cholinergic nervous system of the human. These are the consequences of the uses of pesticides. Thank you.